Okay, Math 9, here we go. We're going to put it all together. We're going to combine all of our rules. These are the biggest ones we're going to see. So here we go. Wow, look at this. So you got fractions, you got brackets, you got it all. We are going to first get rid of all of our fractions. And since these things are multiplying together, they are one term. So when we multiply to get rid of the fractions, we only multiply with the fractions. My lowest common denominator here is 12. So I'm going to multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12. So now 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you get 8 times x minus 5. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you get negative 9 and then negative x plus 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2, so you get plus 2, and then 7 plus x. And a little typo here, that should be an equals sign, okay? And then equals, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then x minus 5. So once we've gotten rid of the fractions, we can then water bomb to get rid of the brackets. Don't forget that you are water bombing in a negative if there's a negative in front of it. So now we have 8x minus 40 plus 9x minus 27 plus 14 plus 2x equals 6x minus 30. So what we're doing now on the left side of the equation is we're going to group our like terms. So 8x plus 9x plus 2x, so that's 17, that's 19x, and then negative 67 plus 14 is going to be negative 53, and that equals 6x minus 30. So where do we go now? Well, now we get the x's together. So subtract 6x, and then I'm going to add 53, and I'm going to add 53. So I get 13x equals 23, and then divide by 13, x equals 23 over 13. So there's a lot going on, but you start by getting rid of your fractions, then getting rid of your brackets, so on and so forth. So here's another one. Common denominator again here is going to be 12. So I'm going to multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12, and multiply by 12. So here I divide and I get 4, but there's a negative, don't forget that. So negative 4 times 2x plus 3. And then these divide out to 3, so plus 15, and then negative x minus 5. This divides to 2, so plus 10, and then 5 plus x. Then that equals 3 times x minus 5. So my next step is going to be to water bomb in each of those statements. So step 1, fractions. Step 2 is now brackets. So minus 12 minus 15x minus 75 plus 10, plus 50 plus 10x equals 3x minus 15. So now negative 8 minus 15 plus 10, so that's negative 23 plus 10 is negative 13x, and then negative 12, this is negative 25, so negative 12 and negative 25 is negative 37, and that equals 3x minus 15. So now x's together, non-x's together, minus 3, x, and then plus 37, plus 37, so negative 16x equals 22, and then divide by negative 16, divide by negative 16, x equals negative 22 over 16, which simplifies to negative 11 over 8. So lots going on here. And we got one more we're going to look at, and look out, there's a little bonus here you got to pay attention to. So what's the LCD? Well, we have 3, 2, 6, 3, and again, I know we've seen a trend here, it's 12, just because 12 has so many great factors. So multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12, and remember to multiply by 12. Don't forget that. So here 12 divided by 3 is 4, we have a negative, so we have negative 8 times negative x minus 1, and then plus 6 times x plus 7, then that's minus 14, so you get 2 times 7 there, x minus 3, and then equals 4 times x plus 2, but then plus 12. Don't forget, don't forget, don't forget. So now we're done with the fractions. So now we can water bomb, water bomb, water bomb, water bomb. Don't forget that's a negative. So, and that's a negative. So we get 8x plus 8 plus 6x plus 42 minus 14x plus 42 equals 4x plus 8 and then plus 12. So now we have to combine our like terms. We have 8x plus 6x is 14 minus 14. Okay, so no x is left there. And then here we have 8, 50, 92. So we have 92. And on this side we have 4x plus 20. So now we are going to subtract 20 on both sides. 72 equals 4x, and then divide both sides by 4. And we get x equals 72 over 4, which is 36 over 2, which is 18. So these are the big ones. These are the extending level. These are the ones where you need to put together all of your rules and avoid all of those little pitfalls. So take your time, try them over and over again. The idea is not to just do them once. The idea is to feel so confident that you literally laugh at how easy they are once you see them again. But it's practice. You're at the top of the staircase and you're going to slowly work your way down. So keep it up. You're doing great.